Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to convert the hard disk format from MBR to GPT, but this time the conversion process is during the Windows installation. This method works with both Windows 10 and Windows 11, and I will use it with Windows Server. The same steps on any Windows. Follow the usual and well-known steps during the installation of Windows. At a specific step, we will perform the conversion process from MBR to GPT, whether you are working on Windows 10 or 11. Before choosing the version to be installed, and in this specific step, press the Shift key plus F10 together to open the command prompt window. And from the command prompt window, I will enter some commands to convert the hard disk from MBR to GPT. First, start the DISKPART application by executing the DISKPART command. Then enter the command, list disk. This command will list all available disks on your computer. This is to specify the disk whose format you will change. After displaying all the disks available on the computer, I will now select the disk whose format I want to change. To select the required disk, enter the command, select disk, and the number of the disk you want to select. In the video, there is only one disk, and it is called disk 0. So I executed the command on disk 0. The next command is clean, and this command will clean the disk you selected. Keep in mind that the clean command will delete all data on the hard disk. So do not do this command if you have important data or have taken a backup copy of this data. After selecting the disk and doing clean for it, the next command is the command convert to GPT format. Now enter the command convert GPT and press the enter button to execute the command. The command prompt window will show you that the hard disk has been successfully converted to GPT format. Then exit the DISKPART application. You can close the CMD window now. Then select the version of Windows you want to install and complete the rest of the steps to install Windows. You can also check the disk format. Press both Shift key plus F10 and then type the command DISKPART and then enter the command list disk. You will find that a star has been placed under the GPT section. Close the window and complete the rest of the steps to install Windows. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.